Okay, I was today years old when I found out you could actually remove the bottom panel as well as the top from these 3-season doors. It blew my mind. Welcome to Travel Reimagine. I'm Chase. Today's project is dealing with these doors. I absolutely hate them. I get why they're built this way, but an engineer built it and it's just not functional. Number one reason, I never could figure out how to clean it. That reason, completely my fault. You can, and I didn't realize that till today. This bottom panel actually comes off, and I'll show you later in this video. Number two, which is the main reason why I'm doing the video today, is I can't stand when it rains. All of the water comes funneling down through this bottom back panel and pours into the back of your garage. It's a horrible design. I got sick of having to put the whole entire patio up every night. So instead we just lined this thing with towels and just caught all the water. A horrible design. So I think we came up with a solution today. So follow along and I'll show you how to do it. Step one is to take this top door off. You can do that, as you can see on this right side here, by pulling these little tabs and then pop the door out once it gets out of the track. Whoa. Be extremely careful with that though, apparently. There we go. Okay, so take that top door off. Now once that's out, you can actually do the same thing on the bottom. So that whole panel comes off. You can clean this whole back side. I'm sure someone out there, or I'm sure most people out there know that. I had no idea. And because on the other side you got a screen. You can't clean from that side. So you got to take them off. Okay, you got them clean. So you'll see those tabs right there on the bottom. You pull those in, pull it right out of the channel. Who'd have known? So what we're gonna do is take this 3M strip, tape the inside here, create a little channel. Any water that runs down, hopefully will then get caught and pushed out.
Then grabbing your
3M tape will measure that out. You're gonna wanna go full side to side because the water still can get caught down in that channel. Okay, now with the tabs on the inside, the outside now, pull that adhesive strip off. And attach, you just wanna go in the top and try not to hit the glass and go all the way the full width. Now if it's a little high, that's actually okay because I want it to fold down like this. Kind of act as a rain's catch. So anything that hits it, hopefully this rain, with this door back there, anything runs, hopefully will be caught and run in front instead of behind. All right, next we're just gonna put this door back on. All right, so it's gonna go back in this channel, right back in this channel where this block's at. Click it back into place. And pull this on this side. There you go, you get your little flap. Hopefully anything coming now, catch, go outwards. Okay, now on the bottom, take your little tabs. These tabs have to go in the channel. So push it in, lock them in, you're all set. Now have a little barrier. See if that works. Simple solution. We'll see if it works, but door still opens. Window still comes down. You still have full functionality. Any water that comes through, hopefully we'll just hit that and stay on the outside now. We'll see how it goes. We'll keep you updated. Follow along and I will tell you if it failed or if it worked. Say goodbye. Say, there you go. There you go, Duke. Say goodbye. Say like, subscribe, follow along. All right, thanks for following along. If you have any questions, let us know. We'd be happy to let you know what products we use. This 3M tape will link in the description. Super easy. Got it on Amazon. And please make sure to like and subscribe and follow along for more travel content.
Thanks for watching. Until next time.
Let's hit the road, Jack.